Is your diesel truck struggling to start on a cold winter morning and throwing a check engine light at the same time? You could be dealing with code P0380. This is a generic powertrain code that stands for glow plug heater circuit, a malfunction. On diesel vehicles built from 1996 and newer, glow plugs are essential for cold starts. Unlike gas engines that use spark plugs, diesel engines rely on extreme heat and compression to ignite the fuel. When it is cold outside, the powertrain control module turns on the glow plugs to heat up the combustion chambers so the engine can actually start. If the computer detects a fault in this heating circuit, it triggers code P0380. The symptoms of this code are usually pretty obvious. The most common sign is a hard starting condition, especially when the temperature drops. You will also see the check engine light turn on. Another major symptom is the glow plug indicator, or the wait to start light on your dashboard, staying illuminated much longer than usual, or sometimes staying on permanently. So, what causes this circuit to fail? The most frequent cause is a burnt out or faulty glow plug. Just like light bulbs, they eventually wear out and stop getting hot. Other common causes include damaged wiring, an open circuit, a blown fuse, or a bad glow plug relay. In some cases, the glow plug control module itself might have failed. To fix this at home, start with the easiest stuff first. Open your fuse box and check the fuses related to the glow plug system. If a fuse is blown, replace it and see if the code comes back. Next, you will want to visually inspect the glow plugs and their wiring. Look for loose nuts, burnt wires, or heavy corrosion. If everything looks okay, you need to test the system using a digital volt-ohm meter. Disconnect the glow plug wires and measure the resistance of each plug. Compare your readings to the factory specifications. You should also check that the relay is sending a full 12 volts to the plugs when the ignition is turned on. If you find a bad glow plug, replacing it is similar to changing a spark plug. Just be careful to thread it in by hand first, so you do not strip the cylinder head. When should you take this to a professional? If your fuses, relay, and glow plugs all test good, you might have a short in the main wiring harness or a bad control module. These issues require advanced diagnostic computers to pinpoint, so it is best to let a certified mechanic handle the heavy lifting. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to keep up with your maintenance and see you on the next repair.